Introducing the 2018 Honda Pilot. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this super capable Pilot. Safe, strong, and refined, it's the go-to SUV for family road trips, cargo hauling, towing, or scenic cruising. With seating for up to 8 passengers, a comfortable and spacious cabin, and the latest connectivity technology, it has everything you need to power your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, power passenger seat, third row seat. Get ready to have some serious family fun in this spacious and powerful Honda Pilot. Drive it and fall in love.